In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Docs to N8N. We'll go through the process in a way that's smooth and easy to understand. Let's get started by diving right into accessing the credentials. First, when you're in the N8N interface, look over to the left sidebar. That's where you'll see a section labeled Credentials. Go ahead and click on that. It's your first step in connecting Google Docs, and it sets the stage for everything else. Now that you're in the Credentials section, you'll want to create some new credentials. Up at the top, you'll see an option to Create New. Click on that, and a list of credential types will appear. Since we're focused on Google Docs, you'll select that as your credential type. It's important to get this right, as it determines how N8N will interact with Google Docs. The next part is crucial: choosing your authentication method. The method you choose here affects security and functionality, so make sure you pick OAuth 2. This is the recommended choice for securely connecting apps like N8N to Google services. OAuth 2 provides a more robust and secure way to manage requests between N8N and your Google Docs. Once you've selected OAuth 2, it's time to set up those credentials properly. This step requires a bit more attention because you'll need to hop over to the Google Developer Console. You can find detailed instructions for this in the Google Docs Node documentation that's accessible from N8N. What you're doing here is creating OAuth 2 credentials within Google Developer Console. These credentials are what allow N8N to communicate with Google Docs on your behalf. During this setup, make sure to enable both the Google Docs API and the Google Drive API. Enabling these ensures that N8N can interact appropriately with your documents. With your credentials prepared from the Google Developer Console, you head back to N8N. Now it's time to enter the details you just set up. In the credential configuration area, input your client ID and client secret. Additionally, you'll need to enter the OAuth 2 redirect URI. This URI is a crucial part of the OAuth 2 process, as it tells Google where to send the authorization response for N8N. Finally, after double-checking all your entries, go ahead and click Save. This action stores your Google Docs credentials securely within N8N. By doing this, you've successfully established a connection between Google Docs and N8N, opening up a wide array of automation possibilities for your documents. And there you have it. You've connected Google Docs to N8N, paving the way for integrating and automating your workflow in new and efficient ways. Feel free to explore more about what you can achieve with N8N, and thanks for following along.